Hello, my name is Chris. This is Learn British English Free on YouTube. This lesson is about Phonemic Poem 2 in my new pronunciation series. In this lesson and poem, I'm going to compare two sounds which are really important to make different. They are I, a short sound, I, and E, a long sound, E, I, E. Ship, sheep. Two different words. We must get this sound right to avoid confusing people. Please read with me. You can use captions, subtitles, the description, and the link to the poem document where I have put I sounds in bold and E sounds underlined so that you can understand it more clearly. Let's start. Bitch or beach, hit or heat, all he likes is eating meat. TV in bits, see or miss, it's not easy saying these or this. 6 chicken pieces please, fill up, feel full with chips in cheese. Clean misty windows, seat, sit, glean it with ease, in a bit. That was Phonemic Poem 2, I or E, ship or sheep, short, long. It was by me, Chris. I hope you liked it. Number 2 in this new pronunciation series. Please leave a comment with your feedback. I would love to read it. More of these poems will be coming soon. Please subscribe on Learn British English Free on YouTube. Join us on the British English page on Facebook and come to my website www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. Everything is free and everyone is welcome. Thanks again for your time. I will see you for the next one. Bye for now.